Dear students, today we will further talk about another structure of pseudocode known as while structure. So basically, first of all, we will explain or define what is while structure. Basically, there is a repeated execution of a statement or sequence of statements as long as some condition remains true. So if you find such a procedure in your program or in your algorithm, you represent that thing using while structure or some similar structures related to while structures. We will be discussing in next modules. So if we try to understand it using an example, as long as there are tickets to sell, continue selling tickets. So if you want to represent such a statement, you can represent it using while. So you can also say while there are tickets to sell, keep selling tickets. And this would be the pseudocode which we have written over here. So while tickets remain to be sold, colon, sell a ticket. So this structure is a while structure. So how it executes? Until this statement is true, which is written in the brackets, so this statement will be executed. So this while structure has only one statement, sell a ticket, and this statement will keep on execution whenever this while structure finds the condition written in the small bracket as true. So let's have another example of representing these type of tickets using a little bit more formal way. So for example, you have 30 tickets available and you say while tickets are greater than equal to 1, sell tickets, and tickets is assigned by ticket minus 1. So we have represented the same procedure, same pseudocode in a bit formal way. So how it is performing, you know that the first statement is then assignment statement, which means there is a location which is called ticket in the memory. And when you say ticket is assigned by 30, so this means this location will be assigned the value of 30. And when it is entering into the while structure, it is checking the condition, and condition is ticket is greater than equal to 1. So 30 is greater than equal to 1. So this condition is true as 30 is greater than equal to 1. So sell tickets, and then ticket is assigned by ticket minus 1. So after execution of this statement, this 30 will become 29. And then it will go again from here to here. So it will again check the condition. So while ticket is greater than equal to 1. So this time ticket is not equal to 30, ticket is equal to 29. So 29 is greater than equal to 1, condition is again true, and it is going to sell the ticket, and then ticket is signed by ticket minus 1, and it becomes 28. And it is going to keep on execution in the same way unless we have 1. It again checks the condition, 1 is greater than equal to 1, condition is true as 1 is greater than equal to 1. So sell ticket, and ticket is ticket minus 1, then ticket becomes 0, and it again goes to this condition and it says 0 is greater than equal to 1. So here the condition terminates, and whenever the condition terminates, this loop goes outside of this body. So this loop or this structure, this while structure has only two statements, 1, 2, and whenever the condition of this while structure is false, then this while structure is coming out of the repetition. So we have another example of calculating sum of numbers ranging from 1 to 100. So let's say we want to represent this as a pseudocode. So what we want, in fact, we want 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. So this is what we want to represent as a pseudocode. So how we can proceed? We can create a memory first so that we can understand. And we have a location called sum, which will store the sum of all of these numbers. And we have the first number, which is initially 1. So we can write the pseudocode like number is assigned by 1, and this statement will make it 1 here in this memory location, and sum is assigned by 0. So sum has a 0 value, and then we can say while number is less than equal to 10. So what we want to do until then, sum is assigned by sum plus number, and number is assigned by number plus 1. So let's try to execute it. So initially we have number 1, sum is 0, while number is less than equal to 10. So 1 is less than equal to 10, condition is true. It comes over this statement. Sum is assigned sum plus number. So 0 plus 1 is 1, which will be stored in the sum. And then the next statement is number is assigned number plus 1. So number will become 2. Next time it will move again over here, and number is less than equal to 10, number is 2. 2 is less than equal to 10, condition is true. So it is coming over here. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. So it is storing 3 at here, and then incremented the number as 3. So in all of the iteration until number is less than equal to 10, so it is calculating the sum of first two values and storing its sum, then next two values storing its sum, then next value storing it in sum, and at the end when this loop will be terminating, you can see that this loop has, or this while structure would have calculated the sum of all of the numbers between 1 and 10. You can execute it at home, all of the instructions as I have explained. So if we summarize today's module, we have learned that what is a while structure, and we have performed 2 examples to demonstrate that how while structure works.